All right, guys. So what we have here is the Saberforms lightsaber that I got to test out. And I just want to go over a couple of the cool things that it does. It does have single button operation. So ignition can be taken care of just with the button itself. Now, if you want to change colors, there's two flashes, and then you press and it will change colors. It can do up to 12 colors. You're going to double tap that again, two flashes. Now if you hold the button down for 4 flashes, it'll close down. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take this out of the holder just for a second so I can show you guys. It has motion activation. Okay. So that's another cool feature it has. Now, another thing I like about this is the cut here, the blade depth. It goes all the way to here. I did get the short blade model. I have a long blade in here right now, but I have the long blade in here because I wanted to check the balance on it. The short blade is fun for spinning, but if you really want a good show, get the long blade model. It does have some other really cool features, though, outside of the blade and color change. This one has soundtracks. Check this out, guys. So 3. Now, the cool part about that is once the lightsaber is ignited, guys, check this out. All right, so now, I mean, obviously, I understand there's probably some IP things going on here. So, guys, I got this to check out, kind of how it was going to perform. I love the features. It does come in a pretty cool box, way better than the Damien saber that I got, I'm not going to lie. So, if you want to check out this manufacturer, I am going to try and work something out with them. I'm going to carry this model with some upgrades internally on my shop. So, thank you for checking the video out. I hope you have a moment to check out Saberforms. They are all over the internet. So